And today we're back with the Lego Technic. As you can see, I got a new haircut, but don't be very surprised because the next video that's going to come out, I did before this one, so that's why my hair is going to be long. But in this one, it's short, so let's get right to the video. So we have our Lego Technic, as you know, well, base of the car. So we're going to put this to the side for now, because I don't think we need it. And then I believe we are doing Book 2. Just in case, I'm going to check because I want to be absolutely sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're doing this one. So let's find the page we were on because I don't remember at all. So we put those two together and looks like we did that. And now we are on to this page right here. Okay, so this is what the page looks like. Looks pretty cool. Bunch of Lego Technic pieces, as you know. We have, this is the one I thought we were doing, but nope, we're doing that one. So everything's good so far. Fish are good, by the way. They're all good. That one, that tank, and that tank are all good. And right now, I'm just gonna show you guys a few clips of me building, and yeah, so see you guys when I am completely done with this whole entire car. So the camera might be crooked, but when we're done with this, well, crooked, I meant that. Well, when we're done with this, that's when I'm gonna see you. So, bye. Okay guys, so we are officially done with the car. It looks absolutely awesome. So the cool thing about this car, actually, like, I absolutely love the stickers, yes. But the cool thing is that it has its own steering system. So if you take this right here, look at right here. That's awesome. And so, when the car drives, these go up and down. Well, these things over here. Like, I don't know what you call them. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys subscribed. Leave a comment down in the section below. Like the video. And don't forget to turn on your notifications because you never want to miss a single upload that I post on YouTube. So have a great day or night, doesn't matter. So bye.